Hey, wait man, I'm not ready. Welcome to Gears Goa. Now you probably want to upgrade from your bike and you think you want a 125, but you don't want a 125, you want a 150 and you've got very few 150 to choose from. You got, but don't go for that. You got a sports bike, an R15, but let's not look at that either. We got the next best thing, the MT-15, and this is the hottest 150 in the market right now. If you're a fan of the MT-10, then you'll definitely love this bike because it's basically the baby version of the MT-10. Under the skin, it's a stripped down R15 with the same power plant and the fastest 150cc engine you got in the country, minus the rear ABS. Although this is the same power plant as the R15, it's tuned for more low-end and mid-range. That means it's really refined and smooth as. But is it fun to ride? The handling is really sharp and it likes to be flicked around the corners. This could easily be the best handling 150 in the market. You might wonder what this bike is missing compared to its international model. The most important thing, USD forks. Why? Because
money!
you might wonder why this bike is so expensive, but after you subscribe to our channel, you won't. No, wait, that's wrong. Let's do it again. You might wonder why this bike is so expensive, but after you ride it, price would be the last thing on your mind.